Today is time for art. I'm here in a park and I'm exploring art exhibit about nature. You can see here various animals and birds, and we happen to be in the nature. Enjoy.
Hey, it's Meiko. It's so nice to see you here. I always get asked, if you're just starting out with painting with watercolors, what should you paint? Now, the answers could be totally different depending on who you ask, saying the basic techniques such as the wet on wet and the wet on dry technique. And the easiest way to do that is by painting simple landscapes step by step. And I'll show you 3 simple paintings that you can try out. Begin by applying clean water all over the paper until you covered everything. You know you have the right amount of water when you see a light gloss on the paper.